Hi guys, it's your girl Melanie. I'm back here with another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. Okay, I'm going to try two new products that I got. The first one is this lip kit from Victoria's Secret. I got this as a gift for Christmas. Thanks, Melissa. And it is an Angel's Lip Kit. I think they have four. I looked it up. I think they have four different colors representing four of their angels. The one that I have is Jasmine. So it's Jasmine's Lip Kit. And these are the colors. So it's cute. And it says Jasmine's Lip Kit, Jasmine's 3 Lip Obsessions, 3 Ultra Sexy Looks. It says she says, bring on the drama. This bold shade is edgy, glam, and totally sexy. So who doesn't need a little sexy in their lives? And the other thing I picked up was this miniature palette from Sephora. It has 6 shades. I picked up the palette Cookie, and it's a neutral shade. And it also shows you if you aren't really comfortable with putting on eyeshadows, don't really know where to put what shades, it gives you a little chart on what to do. So that's good. But we're going to try that out today, and I'm going to put a look together for you guys. Okay, first let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use my little fluffy brush, and I'm going in the color Biscuit. It's this color right here. I'm going to sweep that over my entire eye area. Okay, next with a denser brush, I'm going in with this dark shade, and it's Cocoa. I'm going to put that one on the outer ends in the crease. Okay, so far I'm not liking this palette. It's very powdery, very chalky. It's not a lot of pigment, so it's not much color payoff, and it doesn't blend very well. So yeah, I'm not digging this palette, but we'll continue and finish it up. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in with the color Caramel, this goldish satin color. And I'm putting that on, tapping that into my lid in the beginning. Yeah, it's flying everywhere where I didn't put it, and it's not really showing up. Let me try some setting spray. The setting spray helped it a little bit, and still not that much. I don't like this palette. It just does not want to stick on my lid. I'm so grateful for Sephora's return policy because this is going back to the store. Okay, that's enough of that. In my crease, no, not my crease. In my inner corner, I'm going in with this color Popcorn. Let's see. And this is a blending eye brush that I got from e.l.f. The other ones, they don't have any names. And I think I'll use that same color to go under my brow bone. Now I'm going to put liner on my top lid, and I'm going back with my e.l.f. pen. I love this, so I'm gonna put my line with this. Did it? Oh my God, is this still going? Okay, now where were we? Eyeliner. So I'm gonna line the top of my lids. Okay, my eyes are lined, and so now I'm going to pop on some lashes. And I have to say that since I had to redo the eyeshadow and I knew what the problems were going in, it was a little easier and a little better applying, since I knew I had to wet the brush to apply this shimmer shade, and I used a different brush to blend it in. So it did work a little bit better, but it's still not my favorite eyeshadow palette. But let me pop on these eyelashes and then do my lower lash line. Okay, I have my lashes on, so now I'm going to pop on some eyeliner, and I'm going to use the new eyeliner that I got in my Birchbox, the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. See how that works. It goes on, but it's an eyeliner. I wouldn't pay a premium for this eyeliner when you can get one from the drugstore or a beauty supply store that works just as good or better, but it's an eyeliner. Okay, now let me put on some shadow on the lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to use the Cocoa again to put on the bottom of my lashes. Okay, now I'm going to use the mascara from my Birchbox and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And it does grab these little lashes down on the bottom, so this was a good little mascara in my Birchbox. If you didn't see my Birchbox video, I will attach it at the end so you can click on it and go check it out. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on some blush. I'm going to use the Milani Baked blush in the color Rose d'Oro. And what look is not complete without highlighter? I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter in Baked Bronze and get my glow on. Now on to the lip kit. This is Jasmine's Lip Kit, and it says it has 3 ultra sexy looks. One is Major Matte, which is the Velvet Line Lip Pencil and Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain. 2, Shine On, Velvet Lip Pencil and Satin Gloss Flavored Lip Shine. And 3, Color Drama, Velvet Line Lip Pencil and Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain and Satin Gloss Flavored Lip Shine. So of course we're going to go with Drama. So let me take these out of the box. I had to keep it authentic for you guys. Okay, this lip pencil. Okay, it goes on very smooth and is very pigmented, so I like it. Now for the Velvet Matte. Okay, it goes on very smooth and creamy. It's not stiffy. It's not sticky. And it's not stiff. You know how some mattes are very dry on the lips. It's not dry at all. So I like it. So far so good. And now for the satin gloss. And it's just this type of applicator. Nice. I like it. Has a sweet little flavor. And I love it. I really love this lip kit. But one thing you have to be careful with is it gets on your teeth really easily. And I'm going to blot with a tissue. Just to take it off the inner so it doesn't transfer to my teeth. Otherwise, I love it. I love this lip kit. So I believe it's $15 at Victoria's Secret. So I think it's a limited edition. So you want to pick it up before it's gone. And that's it for today, guys. This is the look. I think it turned out really well, even though I had trouble with the eyeshadow. I really love the lips. Like I said, I keep saying I love it. So thanks for watching, and until next time.